QuickBooks Error 103. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1, confirm that your sign-in info is correct. Step 1, open the web browser and go to your bank's website. Step 2, sign into your account. Step 3, if you can sign in successfully, the username and password are correct. Step 4, if you get a sign-in error, follow the bank's instruction to get the user ID and password. Solution 2, enter your bank's sign-in info in QuickBooks. Step 1, first, sign in to your QuickBooks online account. Step 2, go to the Banking tab, then select Banking. Step 3, select the bank or credit card account you need to update, then click on the Edit icon. Step 4, next, select Edit Sign-in Info and the browser will autofill the user ID and password field. Step 5, clear the user ID and password fields, then manually type in the ID and password of your bank account. Step 6, when you're ready, click on Update and the sign-in info will be updated. Step 7, when you get the sign-in info updated message, click Done. Step 8, if this doesn't work, try the next solution. Solution 3, try logging in from a private or incognito browser. Step 1, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen and select New Incognito window. Step 2, visit the official QuickBooks site, then click on Sign In. Step 3, enter your login credentials and click on Sign In. Step 4, then select the company you want to open. Step 5, once you're inside, go to Banking. Step 6, click on Connect Account, then select your financial institution. Step 7, in the Sign Into Account screen, click on the bank's URL link and it'll take you to the bank's website. Step 8, now, try to log into your account and access it. Step 9, if you're successful, go back to QuickBooks and enter the same login credentials you used and try to sign in. Step 10, when you get the sign-in info updated message, click on Done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.